Every decision we make shapes who we become. In a world of learning, these choices write our true story. Some paths attempt us to do something that isn't right, but what does it really cost? Academic integrity is more than just a rules. It is a foundation of trust that allows us to build knowledge about earning our achievements genuinely. Choosing honesty, even though when it's hard, it will still strengthen our character. It's like an action with reason, understanding the deep impact of our moral choices.
Our honest effort builds a good habit. We are the author of our own integrity, and we are freely choosing our own responsibility. This is the unwritten code of our community to seek knowledge, be truthful, and live with purpose. Your choices always matter.